Hello guys, today I want to show the second most common problem of M18 Milwaukee batteries after unbalanced cells problem. Most common problems on these batteries in my experience are three. So far we have seen one, which is unbalanced batteries. Note that the problem with this battery, as the customer says, is that sometimes it works and sometimes it does not work. So probably some nickel strips does not have good contact with the battery. Now let's open the case and see step by step what we need to check on the battery. First, as we always do, is a careful visual inspection. At first look, everything looks good, but do not be fooled by this, because any spot weld of balanced nickel strips or power nickel strips of battery can be loose and does not make good contact. Check all the battery's voltages separately, then check the total voltage, and finally total voltage at the output of the contacts. Now let's check the spot welding of the nickel strips on the batteries. Now we came to the final check of spot weld power strips connections, which is like fuse or breaker in my opinion. These strips, as you can see, is not continuous to the positive side of the battery. There is specific reason for this spot welding. Usually this welding breaks in case that the battery falls from the height, from heavy use of the battery, or from short circuit. In this case, the spot weld of negative nickel strip terminal is broken and is out of place, maybe from heat or bad use. So this is the second most common problem by my experience on M18 batteries. To fix this broken connection is very easy, just solder them. Now let's make underload test to be sure the battery working fine. On the screen you see my dummy load tester, in which I can adjust my discharge rate, which is up to 100 ampere, and the maximum voltage at 120 volts. And below on small screen I adjust the load which I want on the battery. As you can see, under load of almost 10 amps and power of 160 watts, the battery works normally. Now let's test it on the charger.